say? It's your wedding anniversary. Today, how long have you been married? How long? 2 years, that's fuck all. 2 years. You're fucking divorced by the time this gig finishes. What the fuck? 2 years. 2 years means fucking nothing. I've had longer hangovers. I've had fucking bigger after-show parties in 2 years. Well, what do you want? You're dedicate for 2 years? You'd be fucking lucky, I'll tell you that. Not a chance. No. 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 Come back in another 8 years. If I'm here in 8 years, make another fucking sign that says we've been married 10 years, and I'll be like, alright, fair enough, then maybe I'll dedicate something to him. I keep pointing at him, I don't give a fuck who he is. Who's your husband? Right, you married to her for 2 years. What's your problem? Eh? Sorry? You think, so you were together for 10 years, and then you've only just got married? She must have some shit on you, mate. What's happened there? We're nearly out. You got married? For fuck's sake, I'll dedicate Don't Go Back and Anchor to him. That girl in the white dress up there, that girl there. She is. This next song's for you. Maybe, don't really wanna know. Gotta go, 'cause I just wanna fly. Said lately, did you ever feel the pain? The morning rain soaks you to the bone. And maybe I just wanna fly, I wanna live, I don't wanna die. Maybe I just wanna breathe, maybe I just don't believe. You're the same as me, 'cause we see things they'll never see. You and I gonna live forever. Said maybe, don't really wanna know. You gotta go, 'cause I just wanna fly. Said lately, did you ever feel the pain? Morning rain, so